Hiya Nutters! When I started to paint every day, I had no idea it would have made such a difference in my mood. The past years have been so stressful, and I'm not even talking about COVID. It started long before that. In fact, it started more as 8 years ago. Years of stress and sadness accumulated until I felt a deep kind of numbness deep inside of me. I didn't know how to change all of that anymore. I just kept going. I was using textile art as my main to-go thing, and in December 2021 I revamped my Instagram with the intention to show all the things I crocheted or knitted. And then it happened. I came across messy and ugly junk journals, and it inspired me to start to use paint. Several years ago, I joined a business coach, and she learned me to use things that don't turn out as what you like them to be, not to see as a failure, but as a strength. To see them as a learning curve is such a great way to look at everything you do in life. That state of mind allowed me to make muddy stuff, to make ugly things, and suddenly things started to shift inside of me. Things I didn't expect to happen at all. I was able to feel it all again. Not in an overwhelmingly way, but in a very tender and sweet way, with a lot of self-love and compassion. Slowly, I started to process the grief and sadness, and it started to make room for joy and a better mood again. I made this little junk journal some time ago. It was made and filled with all kinds of papers, pages from magazines, paper bags, and envelopes. A junk journal is such a fun thing to work in because you paint on actual junk, so everything you do to it feels ultimately making it better. I think creating is a magical way. It makes you feel better, and it also is so much fun to do. So I would like you to start today too. Get out the easy things like paint and markers, and don't be afraid to create things that aren't beautiful. You can start like this one I'm showing you. It's only 2 colors that are in the same color group. That way you prevent to get mud. If you use opposite colors, and you get them mixed, you create mud. You can use those too, but then you have to be very patient and let your work dry in between. This is not your normal art channel. It's not about beauty, nor about perfection. I try to show you it's about what you create. It's not about what you create, it's the fact that you do create. I have constant fights with my inner critic, and I'm still doing it and even showing it. So don't wait any longer. Start to use words to empower your intentions. Use color to reflect your feelings. Use mark making to create some zen, and use different kinds of brushes and paint just for fun. It's okay to make ugly things. It's okay to make mistakes, and it's okay to create a mess. It's all about the use of art and creativity as a mindful practice, and to create a moment of being right here, right now, every single day. My art can be beautiful, or it can be weird, or messy, or maybe even ugly. I don't edit my art. I show you what I make that day. I don't do things over just to show you beautiful results. I show you what I make without a filter. If you like what you see, please follow my channel, and you are always welcome to give me a thumbs up. I wish you a lovely day. Think of how you can change your mood with paint and paper, and never forget that you are unique. Last but not least, please remember the things you are grateful for. I hope you will create something today. A big hug from me, and bye bye for now.